The introduction of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers. The blockchain is digging in for the long haul. With this certainty of calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work past 40 hours to make a remarkable digital money that could hold an incentive at a brilliant future cost, empowering taking credits, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary forms. Before we start with point-by-point Nexo cost expectation, we should really look at coin outline. What makes Nexo exceptional? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money-supported credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment advance in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo survey here. After keeping, a credit line opens up and no credit check is vital. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole structure of Nexo depends on two standards: 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working with a smooth joining with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A remarkable component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits and the best advantage clients determine as they can pay in their nearby monetary standards. Nexo, specialized examination. Like other digital forms of money, Nexo also is generally subject to value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists shift as they would see it about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, not long after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, an extensive leap that mirrored an immense measure of early financial backer interest. In any case, it checked nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had moved up above 73 cents, however at that point, it confronted a slight revision and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows, when any remaining monetary standards exhibited a bleak execution, the Nexo cost has shown solidness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in force with no Nexo cost drop. Knowledge starting from the start of this current year. Starting from the start of this current year, the cost of Nexo has been consistently rising, and as of late, it has denoted an untouched high of $4.05. In any case, in the wake of hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and right now, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-after-week value change of 27%. Nexo Value Forecast by specialists. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a supportability advantage that impacts Nexo conjecture contrasted with customary monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29 with a 24 hours value change of -0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is as of now a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost visualization for 2027 is $9.309. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the figure information examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo, NEXO, in 2022. Nexo estimate of cost sounds exceptionally bullish in the future, as it has shown a dependable consistency. Toward the finish of 2022, The Nexo/USD cost could undoubtedly swing around $2.58757 going with trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. Being founded on specialized examination, the cost of Nexo holds positive opinion for the impending months. The Nexo value change might reach $5.61 toward the finish of 2022. Nexo value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, for example 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-$3 mark in view of cost forecasts. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be really ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an estimated possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. Expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Nexo will run the crypto realm, disposing of BTC strength with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, essentially due to its solid basics. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. The current year's expectations could stamp as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is anticipated to outperform $4.62 definitely. Basically, in light of the fact that this year no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be on street to fix work in every world economy. Nexo Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by our Nexo cost gauge in light of specialized examination and past information, this cryptographic money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo Value Forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the transient cost developments. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high and the drawn-out figures, financial backers can expect to circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Nexo would fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo would not anymore a gullible contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player. Does Nexo